Okay, so this module is how to get the Facebook purchase code, right? So purchase code is part of the codes that you need, part of the pixel codes that you need for tracking conversions. Now there are lots of them, but purchase is really the most essential. So to get your purchase code, there are two places you see it. If you just installed your Facebook pixel and you're trying to run an ad, especially when you say you want to run the conversion ad, right? So if you look at this campaign settings here, you'd notice that the settings here, campaign objective says conversions, right? So if you want to run the conversion ads, you're going to need to do this. So if you don't have any pixels set up before now, Facebook is going to give you these options. Now, if you say you want to select purchase, right, you don't have this conversion. So you can use Facebook Pixel to track valuable actions. So you have to set up these conversions, right? So this is one way to do it. I'll show you the second method in a bit. So let's do it this way first. So set up conversions, track conversions with standard events. So you create this, and then you come here, you scroll down. You can leave this as e-commerce and retail, but you scroll down. This is what you're looking for, purchase, right? So the exact thing you're looking for here is a purchase. Okay, so for the purchase now, you enter the value and then you have to enter the currency. Now, if you take note, it's telling you currency has to be in 3-letter ISO currency, which is pretty much like USD. So something like USD or NGN. So in the case of Nigeria, it's NGN, right? And then let's say per conversion is worth 10,000 naira. All right. So you see, the moment I'm adding this money and this NGN, is telling me the value here. So this way, I got a conversion pixel that says 10,000 naira. So you just enter this NGN and you enter this 10,000 naira here and you copy this. Now remember that once you copy it, you have to mix it with your page view pixel. All right. So on your thank you page, for instance, so let me choose the thank you page on the soft link, right? So on your thank you page, you have to add a new block, and I think I can delete this pixel, this page view. Okay, so let me leave this. I'm just going to take this out right away. So see what happens if I just paste this one, just this pixel alone, right? So if I publish this page and I check my pixel helper, you see the purchase, right? So the purchase is actually there, but it's going to apply on all the pixels, that have been injected already. Now, the exact pixel that I'm going to create for this page view, I've not even added it to this yet, right? So those are other ones there. So I'm going to come and put the real one here as well with it. So let's go. So that's one way to get your Facebook purchase. So I'm going to say done now because I've copied it. So that's done already. All right. So the next thing you want to do is the second way you can get this. Take for instance, if you've already set up one purchase pixel and then you want to create another in the case where the value is different. So what you need to do is you need to come to this menu, then you come to event manager. So if you want to create a new pixel from here, all you need to do is go to data sources, create new. So you say create new custom conversion. So once you come here, you name your conversion. You can say hello, for instance, and then you have to choose this, select your own category. So you open this category up, you open it up and you find purchase here. So this is purchase. All right. So you have to put a URL here, right? It says enter value. You have to enter the value numeric. So let's assume this is now 20,000 naira. All right. So you then take your URL. Let me see. All right. So once you put your URL there, you say create, done. So you can use that way or use the previous method that I showed you from the Ads Manager.